Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Look what I have here, guys. It's a present for me. It's actually not a present for me. It's actually on loan from someone I know who just bought it. It's brand new. It is an authentic Louis Vuitton, and you guys know this is how it was when I picked it up. So it has the cotton ribbon inside. We're getting right into it, guys. I'm not even jabbering on, I'm just doing it because I know you guys are interested. Look how small this box is. Firstly, what is this? It's like a little card situation. It looks like a kid's. I question whether they made this bag for kids, you know. It's just a blank white card. It's like a it's like for gifts, when you want to give someone a gift, a bag as a gift. If only we were that wealthy, we could do that. So this box is super tiny, smaller than the shoe box, right guys? Beautiful Louis Vuitton logo in the black. I thought they did that in dark blue, but that one's black and it's authentic. This is the dust bag. It's very cottony, it's probably the right word, and the logo is printed on, so it's not, you can't feel it when you run your hand over it. It's actually inked into the fabric. Okay, so that's something to note when you guys are looking at other types of bags. Now, this is the bag that everyone is talking about. Here it is, guys. I don't even know how to hold it. I'm so retarded. The Louis Vuitton Multi Pochette. What is the hype about this bag? That's what I want to know. Yes, the strap is adjustable. Yes, there's cute little dangly things. Am I going to be converted by the end of this video? I don't know. But here it is, guys. I'll give you a nice little close-up. There is something in this. There is a dust bag. So they've put an extra dust bag in there because it's a separate pouch, obviously. It's also a very noisy bag. Like this strap, it's constantly, you know, it's not as noisy as the Lady Dior, let me say, but it is still a little bit noisy. So here it is, guys, in the flesh. This is with the pink strap. I do like the beige accents in the pink strap. I think that looks really nice. I also like this strap because I think you can hook this on and hook it off to multiple bags. So I think that's great, even though it actually doesn't have a loop itself. So what you're hooking it on needs to have a loop, if that makes sense. So it can hook onto this belt loop because there's a loop there, there's an opening, whereas this is just a ring. 2 rings. When I first saw this bag, I mean, I've seen the canvas wasn't, I don't know, I just thought it looked a little bit shiny or something and not as authentic as I was hoping. This is brand new, guys. It's still stuffed. It's been sitting in the box. It has not been used or worn, but I've got it for this video and it will be returning soon. There is a little coin pouch thing there, which we will have a look at in a moment. There's obviously the 2 pockets, and you can detach one if you just wanted to have one or the other. You can have one as an evening clutch, etc., which is why people like it. I kind of find it annoying that there's like 2 bags you got to get into. Also, this is really, I don't know, the thickness is really wide. It's not very refined, in my opinion, around here. I mean, it is what it is, you know, it isn't authentic, but anyway. So, and they've also put, I'll give you guys a close-up, beautiful lining, really refined logo, and they put these little foamy things just to keep its shape, I believe. And then there is the strap. I'm going to lengthen this because I want to wear it cross body, and I want to see how long it is cross body. So guys, this main pocket, let's have a look at this. I don't even know where to look first, like just quietly. Okay, so there's another little dust bag in there. So there's a dust bag for the whole thing. There's a dust bag for each of the bags. There's also a Louis Vuitton care card situation. And the inside Oh my god, it's not even lined. Like, it's not even lined. It's, the edges are just binded. Like, this is not a super high quality bag. This is a kid's bag, guys. Just letting you know, anyone who's thinking about this, I mean, consider it carefully. It's not lined, you know, the edges are all bound, which is a shock to me. The zipper's all exposed on the inside. You know, you can lift it up and see the raw edge of the canvas. I mean, I don't understand what the hype is about. I guess it's just one of those it bags, you know? Also this flappy flap. I'm just really surprised with how it's made. Really surprised. I'm not going to touch the leather at all because I don't want it to mark. But even the logos on each of these leather tabs are different sizes. So the one on the small is obviously smaller, the one on the large is larger, slightly. And that's just, you know, I think to get the right ratio when looking at the bag and the logo. I think personally you could have just gone with both of the small, but anyway. Also the stitching here, I mean, it's good, you know, no complaints with the stitching, but it's kind of not even, which is something you would expect from a real Louis Vuitton. Like, I mean, I'm being very picky here, but I need to be picky because when you're paying that much for an authentic, it has to be perfect. Or else, what are you paying for? You're paying for the name, you know. You want to pay for the quality too. That's really important to note. I'm just going to have a look in this one. This one's obviously the same. It's all binded up on the inside. It is not lined at all. I feel like when I open it, I feel like it's, you know, like a makeup bag. You know, makeup bags, how they're not lined and they're just bounded on the inside, and so that you can just shove things in them, and, you know, they're usually waterproof. That's sort of how I feel about this. Yeah, I'm a little bit surprised, guys. I thought maybe I would really like it, but okay. Obviously this also comes in a multitude of colors. The strap, I personally like the green strap. Well, I'm wearing this today. Like the khaki army green color. I think that's going to be really versatile. It's a real neutral color as well, even though it's a color. So I think that would probably get the most wear in my wardrobe if I was to choose a color. This pink is quite nice. I believe the pink was the most popular. Okay guys, I've pretty much worn it with the exact same outfit here that I'm wearing now, and that is just bike shorts, a little top. I've got a jumper tied around my waist and this utility jacket over the top, sort of like a windbreaker rain jacket over the top. I think that this bag looks amazing with camel colors, camel tones, and army tone colors, because it's the brown color scheme and because it's printed. I just, yeah, thought that this combination would go really well. I've also seen people dress this bag up and it still look amazing. So here I'll show you it on the shoulder, and I will show you it crossbody as well and where it sits. And this is nearly on the longest thread for crossbody. You can sort of see here. Let me just move that up. So that is the longest for crossbody, which I think will sit on my hip from what I can see here. But you'll be able to see in the mod shots. You can also wear this on the shoulder, and I will straighten this up and make it a shoulder strap as well. And then when we're separating these little purses, I will show you the sizing. I will first show you the larger size, and I will also attach the strap with both, this little chain strap, so you can see the comparisons. This is with the larger pocket, the larger bag of the two, and then now this one is with the smaller bag of the two. You could definitely, you know, detach it and take it for an evening out. my phone would definitely fit in this smaller pocket. I do have the iPhone 7 Plus. It is a bit of an older phone now, but it is a large phone, and it will fit in there. Don't think you'll be able to fit much else, maybe a card wallet or, you know, something like that, but all pretty much flat items if you're carrying your phone in this little pocket. So there you have it, guys. What do you think? Do you think this is controversial? I definitely do. I don't see the quality in this style bag, particularly on the inside. I mean, you know, I love me good lining, and I really appreciate quality when it comes to linings. This just doesn't fulfill those needs for me. If someone said to me, oh, this is a new like cosmetic case that just came out, you can also strap it if you wanted to, I'll be like, oh, okay. Like, to me, this doesn't seem like they're normal quality bags. Okay, that is my opinion, and my opinion alone. You guys be the judge. I do see why people love it, and it's because of the way that it looks on the body and how cool it looks, and all the little elements of the dangly and this and the dangly coins. You know, I get that there's interest there, and it really makes it a bit of a hot bag because of those things. I just wish they put lining in it, or, you know, they took a bit more care with the bag on the inside of the construction. But apart from that, I don't know if I'll be buying another one soon. I could be completely wrong. Please let me know what you think of this bag in the comments. I'm dying to know your thoughts. Have you been considering this? Would you still consider this after this review? And what would you pay for a bag like this? You know, this is up there from Louis Vuitton. And is it really worth the money? I will put the price of this bag on screen, and you guys be the judge if it's worth it or not. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Remember that if you have any questions about my bags, head to my Instagram. You can contact me there. I also post very regularly on there, so stay connected to me through Instagram at Naomi Peris _bags. Okay guys, I am so glad that you watched this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.